Here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this intro, the leader is going to start on the left side of the floor and the follower is going to be on the right side. We are also towards the back half of the dance floor. So if you have a bit of a smaller dance floor, I would say you could be kind of right on the edge. But if your dance floor is wider and just bigger, I would say go ahead and start a little bit on, because we only have 1 8 count to get to the middle of the floor, okay? So first 8 count we go, slow walks, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you get there, you can have your feet together. Again, make sure you're not too close. You want to be just far enough away to hold hands, okay? From here, the leader is going to bow and the follower is going to curtsy. So leader, I'll do your stuff first. You're going to hinge at the hips and have your left arm over your waist and your right arm behind your back. So go ahead and turn around, Nick, show them what that looks like. You hinge at the waist and then you come on up. Exactly. Follower, for your curtsy, you have a couple different options. If your dress has a little more volume to it, you can hold the sides of it. If it's a little more form-fitting, you can just put your arms out to the side and kind of style your wrist downwards like this. For now, I'm going to hold out my skirt, but you're gonna hold your weight mostly on your right foot. Your left foot is gonna come behind your right heel, and then you also are just gonna hinge at the waist, bending that right knee, and then coming back up. So when we do it together, this is on the second 8 count, we go slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, come up 5, 6, and then leader is going to offer their left arm on count 7, and the follower is going to accept with their right arm on count 8. We're going to move on to pattern 1. This is 4 sets of 8, and we will show you a demonstration to start. And here we go. And a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great, let's go ahead and break this down. So